Hello, SOL and SOR PE scholars. It's me, Magister Beck. Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, for this week, week 34 of physical education. I'd like you guys just keep on doing what you're doing, turn in your activity logs. There's no specific assignment like basketball, badminton, or a workout for you guys to do. Just do some kind of physical activity or chore around your house or just getting outside playing. And just record those on your activity logs and get those to us. There's only 4 weeks left of school, and I know you guys have a lot of work in your other classes and getting ready for finals and tests and whatnot. So for Phi-Ed, just do something physically active. Write down in your activity log and turn it in to Magister Cole or myself, Magister Beck, whoever your physical education teacher is. If you guys have any questions or concerns at any time, feel free to email Magister Cole or myself, Magister Beck, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Have a fantastic week, scholars, and we'll see you around the block. Bye.